Now, this is how we can fix the clock on your Mac. So it kind of depends on what's wrong with it to begin with, but you can always go to the settings app of your Mac computer like this. And by default, we should be in the general section, and part of general, you're going to scroll through the options and you should be able to find the date and a time. And that's kind of important because for me, it is set to automatically in here and the time zone is set automatically as well. But if those options are turned off like this, you're gonna get the ability to change the time fully manually, and that's why it might be causing the issues, right? Because you can see that I can literally just replace the time like that and it will change everywhere across the device, which I'm not saying is like good or anything, but that's how you have the option to do it, right? And if you want to fix it, I would just recommend you to just enable the automatic time in there and automatic time zone below, and that time is going to be fixed, and you're not going to get to any problems with the incorrectly set time, right? So this is what you need to play with. Of course, this is the most important part. Outside of that, you can see in the home screen, I have the widgets in there, which I can also like resize and reorganize. And if you mean fixing the time in here, you can of course right click on the widgets and change them, and of course remove the widgets, edit them, and so on. So if you mean that, you can obviously play around with the options too. So yeah, let me know in the comments below if there is something very specific which you would want to fix with your time on your Mac. Subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll talk to you later.